Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is February 26th. Today we are going to visit the Sinharaja rainforest. In this video, you can see our trip to the Sinharaja rainforest. So let's go to the video. The road to the Sinharaja rainforest is very beautiful. It is covered in fog all around. It is very cold. The sun is starting to rise, but there is still a lot of fog. Now we got off the bus and started our journey. This is the entrance to the Sinharaja rainforest. This is where we need to buy tickets. Here are our tickets. Now we sprinkle salt on our shoes. Then we won't be bothered by leeches. Then we started going into the jungle. This is our guide. He says that the Sinharaja rainforest was designated a World Heritage Site in 1988. It is spread over an area of 11,250 hectares. It is home to many endemic animals and plants. This is the Sri Lankan tree snail. The liquid that this snail secretes is drunk as medicine. This is the Sri Lanka legume plant. This is also a medicinal plant native to Sri Lanka. The leaves of these plants are elongated. This is because this is a rainforest, and the leaves grow longer with the constant rainfall. There are 3 layers of vegetation here. The top layer contains tall trees. The lowest layer contains grasses and plants. This is the ascetic beetle plant. When people who walk in the forest get hungry, they eat the leaves of this plant. This is a fern. Its spores are on the underside of the leaf. This plant spreads by dropping spores on the ground. This is patika. We can see beautiful small plants and big trees here. This is a millipede. This is also an animal native to Sri Lanka. They have a large number of legs. got a little thirsty. The water has run out, so we filled our water bottles. There are many different types of mushrooms throughout the Sinharaja rainforest. This is the Bodilima lizard. This is a lizard native to Sri Lanka. This lizard eats insects and changes its color according to its environment. This is the whistling lizard. This is also an animal native to Sri Lanka. This is the Sinharaja plant. This plant is a small plant that grows 2.5 inches tall. This is a very rare local medicine. This is also a plant native to Sri Lanka. This is the Sri Lankan green pit viper. This snake is native to Sri Lanka. He lives in trees near water sources. This is a poisonous snake. His food is animals like frogs and lizards. This is the vanilla plant that everyone knows. This is the pitcher plant. This plant is also native to Sri Lanka. Insects are attracted to the flowers of the pitcher plant due to its fragrance. These insects cannot come back after entering the flower. The flower digests them and gets the nutrients the plant needs. Here you can know more about Sinharaja rainforest. This is the map of Sinharaja rainforest. We also filled our water bottles from this small waterfall. There are many beautiful small plants near water sources. You can fill water bottles from anywhere in Sinharaja rainforest. See about 7 beautiful waterfalls in Sinharaja rainforest. Most of the species of fish found in these water sources are native to Sri Lanka. Also, you can get fish therapy here for free. Subscribe me for more beautiful videos like this. Like and share with your friends.